Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Do you think you can solve this puzzle in less than 19 moves? That's the record I made. The puzzle is to open up the way for the yellow car so that it can go out of this parking lot. Well, first I will move the blue truck and the purple truck. Then I will move left the red car to the end. After that, I will move the green and the blue cars upside, then the black one to the right, so that the two trucks now can come down and free up space for the yellow car to move forward. So first the blue truck, then the purple truck, and then I move the yellow car to the right. After that, I move back the red car to the right side, then move up the green car. Now I need to move back the yellow car so that I can for one more time I have to move the trucks upside so that this black car can go to the left and the blue and the trucks both can come down and open up the way for the yellow car. How was it? Did you enjoy? This was only the level 1. We have to do many of these puzzles per day. Please subscribe for more.